Where do we go from here? How do we carry on? I can't get beyond the questions. We're clambering for the scribes, and the shadow of us collapsed. That cuts me with every could have been.